Hello guys, my name is Ashish and today I'll discuss about the Enum in Solidity. Okay, so let's first make a file enum.sol solve for Solidity. And as you already knew that first of all we need to specify the license within the comment section. Then we need to start with pragma, then Solidity, and then we need to specify the version 0.8.0, and then we need to start with the contract keyword itself. Okay, and then we need to specify the name. I'm taking the name Enum. Okay, so basically in Solidity, Enum is a user defined data type. Okay, so you can define your own data type. Okay, and basically it's gonna help us to use only the value we are going to specify within the Enum. Okay, so first of all we just need to use the Enum keyword itself. Then we can take any name. I'm just taking the name button. Okay, and we need to specify the value for button we want to have. Okay, so I'm taking the on value and off, this two value. Okay, and as usual we need to declare this variable. Now in Enum it will work as a variable. Okay, so I just need to declare this variable first. So this is the button is the type, data type, and then we need to take a name, like we're taking the small letter button. Okay, that's it. And as you already know that we can initialize this value of this button variable within our constructor. So constructor, and then I'm just initializing the value as off. Okay, so this is the button. We just need to specify the variable name. Then we need to use the data type itself. So this is button, capital letter button is the data type. So then dot, we need to use the dot function. Then we need to use any one of this value. So initially I'm just taking the off value. Okay, so this is the way to initialize. Okay, and let's make two function. One is for on and another one is for off. Okay, so function keyword, and then the name, I'm just taking button on. Okay, and I'm making it public because we are going to use this outside of our smart contract. And again, if we just want to initialize this value, then we can I'm just copying and pasting this. So we just need to use the on. Okay, because we are going to on this, and we are going to make another function, and this will help us to off. So button off, and we just need to specify off. Okay, so yeah, that is the thing. And we are going to use another function, okay, to get the state, is it off or on. Okay, so for that, get state. Okay, I'm taking a function name get state, get state, and it will gonna return a boolean value. So public and returns, and the return type will be boolean. Okay, and we just need to specify the return button equals dot on. Okay, if this is okay, so I'm just using the boolean type. Okay, if the button is on, then it's gonna return the true value, otherwise it's gonna return the false value. Okay, and we just need to specify, you can see a warning here. Okay, that we just need to specify the view keyword because we are going to read some value. Okay, that's why view. Okay, those are the function. Okay, but the thing is that we are gonna get, if this value is on, then we are gonna get the true value, otherwise we're gonna get the falsy value. Okay, so as you already knew that it's going to compilation is going to handle automatically. So we just need to specify, we just need to deploy this. So click on deploy button, and you can see the result. Okay, so we are getting two function. One is on, off, and then get value. First of all, our initial state, our button is off. Okay, so if I click on the get state, then I'm going to get the falsy value. So this is false value, and then I'm just making the state as on. Okay, by clicking this button, and if I click on get state, then I will get the true value, because you can see the true value. Okay, and if I again make this off, then if I get click on get, then I'm gonna get the false value. Okay, so this is the way we can use the Enum data type. Okay, Enum Solidity, and I think you enjoy the video. So yeah, please like the video if you like it, and thank you again for watching this video, and bye bye, have you very soon.